Well, good day to all of the viewers of What's Up Doc. In this episode, we're going to change a little bit our format. Instead of the medical services that we've been giving information to the people of Pampanga and Bulacan, we're going to talk more about the doc and the Rotarians. We are going to cover in this particular episode the visit of Rotary International President-elect D.K. Lee and his spouse, Young. At exactly 12:15, at the door of Oxford Hotel here in Clark, R.I. President-elect D.K. Lee and his wife, Young, will enter and be a part of our fellowship. They will be accompanied by past District Governor Guillier Tumagan and his spouse Letty, as well as the chairman of the College of Philippine Governors, past District Governor June Anyag. It's going to be a memorable day to all of us because we've been waiting for this, and it is happening now, happening here at the Oxford Hotel in Clark. That an RI President-elect will come and visit us in order to give a message that he would like to share in order that in the years to come, when he will be the president for the year 2008 and 2009, we are ready to do whatever he would like us to do.
Ladies and gentlemen, fellow Rotarians and friends, our guest of honor has arrived. Please welcome RI President-elect D.K. Lee and spouse Young Lee. Another warm welcome for Rotary International President-elect D.K. Lee and spouse Young Lee. We request everyone to please take their seats, and they're very happy to present to you a very special number from the students of the you're gonna dance.
Ay bulan di Disyembre na bomba ang ikampyon ay salidumbay dimbay.
Kaasi ni darling ko, indaray ti soldado. Ay, salidumbay diway. Atin ko pong singsing, netong yang tintukan, amanate iti, inindong ibatan, sangkan ken sinino, kay medong akaban, lewalaya iti, eto kamalayan, insukal ning lungko, susukdul king banwa, ipurus kong gamat, baboning lamesa, ninumang manaki, kinsinsing kong mana, kalulong puso ko, manginuya keka, insukal ning lungko, susukdul king banwa, ipurus kong gamat, baboning lamesa, ninumang manaki, kinsinsing kong mana, kalulong puso ko, manginuya keka. Akin ko pong singsing, netong yang tintukan, amanap iti, inindong ibatan, sangkang ken sinino, kay medong akaban, mewalaya iti, eku kamalayan.
Insukal ning lugko, susukdul king banwa, ikurus kong gamat, baboning lamesa,
Ninumang manaki, kensingsing kong mana, kalulong puso ko, manginuya keka.
I will now call this meeting to order. In behalf of all the Rotary clubs and Rotarians of District 3790, it is my distinct privilege to roll out the red carpet of welcome in honor of our illustrious guest, Rotary International President-elect Don Orlee, as we join our comrades from District 3770, headed by my good friend Governor Roji, at this joint reception for visiting future leader of Rotary International. So President-elect Don, welcome once again to the Philippines from the District of 3790. To the many Rotarians among us who value international peace, goodwill and understanding, we shall enshrine Rotary's fourth anniversary service in the interest